Okay. So we are starting now. I will be presenting MetaViu, our project, and I hope everybody sees us. And please be chilled out, listen nicely, and I will be happy to answer any of your questions. I will be sharing now my screen, and we'll be starting my presentation. So yeah, so first of all, my name is Nodo. I'm founder of MetaViu.io, first advertising marketplace for metaverses. And I'm so happy today I will be presenting this company to you because it is one of my youngest childs as my companies, and I spend days and nights building MetaViu and delivering value to our amazing community. So how MetaViu got started, right? Actually, it all started with like getting requests from different advertisers. I was working with them in real life. They wanted somehow to get onboarded in metaverses. And basically like 1 year ago, this idea just came to my head. What can I bring value to this amazing community in metaverses that I know better of? So in real life, I have advertising business which connects physical landowners to advertisers. So I'm doing it like for 8 years, expanded it in 22 countries, had amazing connections with big advertising agencies and advertisers. And I got involved in Web3 2 years ago when I first bought land in Decentraland and get connected to amazing community. So I thinking like, basically, I'm going to transfer the same business model with MetaViu, but connect digital landowners to big advertisers with our amazing advertising marketplace and bring lots of value to our community members, landowners who are inside the platform, and at the same time onboard big advertising brands and make them spend money into the metaverses. So that's how we started MetaViu, right? And how it works. It's very simple. We treat all our landowners as our business partners. We help them increase and help you increase your land utility by simply connecting to our marketplace. And MetaViu Marketplace connects you with wide range of brands and advertisers. And also, if you host some of the billboards on your land and connect it to MetaViu Marketplace, you will be able to generate from 85 to 95% of revenue generated on your land. So basically, like, you are our business partner, and we try hard to bring as many international brands and companies into your land and utilize it better. And main benefits working with us as a landowner or land operator is that we offer you all the control. We kind of advertisements you want to see. You have the control on daily prices on your own billboards. It's easy to join. You don't have to do anything. We will bring advertisers for you. You just need to relax and see advertisers coming in on your land. And you are becoming our business partner, right? And we have some highest revenue sharing rates on the market. And what we are trying at this moment is the aggregating marketplace for advertisers and landowners in different metaverses. So basically, we are connecting these two parts, and we are putting lots of our effort into it, connecting those two different parties of world, like landowners, game operators, and advertisers who first time, some of them even never heard about metaverse, but we are educating them hardly. Next one is what we have done so far. We have launched MetaViu in the beginning of August. We have serviced around 15 brands as advertisers. So our community members and landowners are happy about it. Partnered with leading advertising agencies and educating them on daily basis. Even like next, at the end of the month, I'm flying to Barcelona to gather one of our advertising partners, speaking about MetaViu in front of big brands like Kellogg, Mars, Coca-Cola, Nike, and etc. And at this moment, we are trying hard educating those big brands and advertising agencies so they can be bringing in more ads in 2023. We collaborated with more than 60 amazing projects, and I'm happy about it. We are always open for amazing partnerings and growing the network. And we expanded in other metaverses and games. So basically, like our main idea at this moment is to become the largest marketplace aggregator for advertising, and on the other side as a channel with landowners from different metaverses and game builders of different interesting platform or different kind of games which are built on blockchain. And basically this sets all what I wanted to say, and I want to thank our early members, OG members who trusted us, who supported us, who believe our vision and our vision into it. And I want to thank all of them. And yeah, we have many of them, but I couldn't fit all of them in one slide. And thank you all one more time. Without your involvement and your support, MetaViu wouldn't be at the same stage as we are now at this moment. And going forward, that's our plan. So we are committed to invest more into it, move forward, increase the channel, bring in more advertisers, adding more and more locations in Decentraland and other metaverses, and becoming the go-to marketplace for metaverse and in-game advertising. So basically, that's where our main focus is going on at this moment. Also constantly innovating to create amazing experiences, not just billboard advertising, but we always started working with amazing advertising experiences, which will be interesting both for landowners and for advertisers, because I myself don't want to see only billboards in metaverses. I want to see integrated, native-looking advertising experiences, which can be done, and we are working hard about it. Yeah, so I will be happy to hear your questions. Thanks a lot. Actually, it was first time I was doing facilitation of this conference and also talking about our company MetaViu, but I would be more than happy to hear all of your questions if you might have some. So if some of you might have some questions, I will be glad to reply. And also I will write down in the chat MetaViu Twitter page. You can follow us or join us anytime. And also I will drop down my Twitter page just for you to follow me, ask me any question. You can also DM me anytime to the Discord. Okay. So basically, at this moment, we are represented in Decentraland, in Sandbox, and we are in negotiation with upcoming couple metaverses. There are around 5 of them. We have partnered up with Commerce, Surgeons, Metaverse, and there are like lots of lists of them. Most of them are launching in 2023. So we did like partnerships early on so that we could offer to big advertisers which kind of channel we have. And basically, we are happy that our channel is increasing in, and we are always inviting landowners to join our marketplace. They don't have to do anything. You just need to log in on our marketplace. You don't have to mint any NFT of us. Our MetaViu is fully funded by ourselves, and we are not depending on minting. We are not just usual project. It's a serious business we are doing in Web3, and we are using our experience from Web2 and experience from Web3 to make this happen. And also I want to shout out for Carl for setting this conference. We were like doing a lot of talks to make this happen, and we want to make this almost yearly event. This is just a start, and I'm sure we're gonna be seeing more and more vendors coming in, and we always gonna support each other what we do at this early stage. And I'm very happy to have opportunity to speaking with you today. and I will be happy to hear more of your questions. And also, I'm gonna write my personal Twitter handle. I'm always around, so if some landowners want to talk to me, get more information, you can always reach out to me via Discord or Twitter. So I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Thanks, thanks, Sugar Club. We're gonna bring them in after this conference. So basically, that's my motivation, right? As a fellow landowner myself in different metaverses, I'm trying to bring additional and big brands into it, right? So they have the money, they are spending lots of money in digital advertising. Why not to make them spend at least like 15-10% into metaverse advertising? So yeah, that's my main motivation. So basically now I'm gonna quickly go to the closing part of my speech, and I will be inviting in 1 minute next project, which is amazing project. I'm gonna invite Key from Sugar Club. I love what he's doing, and actually I would love to hear more, because fun is the main driver of every business, every environment. If we don't have fun, we get all bored, right? So I'm inviting Key to join the Zoom, and we will be ready to start his presentation.